Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Leia. She is 10 years old. And for our next challenge, I have a painter's tape obstacle course. You can make this as complex or as easy as you want, but the whole idea is, Leia, come on over. You start the ball on one corner, and you can go up and around over furniture, along the wall. Following the line, bring it back, and all the way back to the start, Now this time go that way with it. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Yep. All right, bring it back to the start. This time I'm going to time you. On your mark, get set, go. All the way back to the start, and boom. 6 seconds. That was so fast. So this is only limited by your imagination. You can go up over furniture, around walls, down hall, and maybe limited by how much painter's tape you have. But it's a fun way to work. Use the whole roll. Use the whole roll, she says. This is a fun way to work on really motor planning in this case, but also sneaking in some leg work, some arm work. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.